Hello, my friends. So this may very well have been the bottom. I do foresee, like we have, like I said, we have uh, the correlation to the month's low here. We also had a correlation to a month's high. So in the case of the situation being so low, it's very likely that we just have a notable high here. But looking at tomorrow, we have the same card in the low position for both today and tomorrow. A lot of bearish stuff going on here. So basically, what I've done is I've doubled up on calls that had depreciated, bought back the calls that I had sold against them and made some money there, and sold the majority of, well, not the majority of my puts, but I sold about half my puts. So I'm about 50-50 again, but I've moved my puts out, taken cash in, and um, doubled up on some calls. All right, guys, and that's where I'm at. It looks like tomorrow we've got more volatility, but the end of the volatility looks like tomorrow's the day to cash in as well. We have a cash in card right at the start of the day. We have indication of a sharp decline. Yeah, very likely we open much lower tomorrow, guys. And that's where I'm at. This is the very end. We towards the end of the day, we have for today we have that happiness card, which foretells of a selling off from a peak that's near overbought. It's not overbought, but it's near overbought. And so that very well looks like we've got what we've got set up here. You can see we're near overbought. You go on a one minute charts even more so near overbought, right? So we're going to sell from there. But again, guys, I'm about 50-50 calls and puts. I basically bought back all of my short positions, calls and puts for profits. And that's where I'm at, guys. So hopefully you've been following along because if you have, you've been making a ton of money. Love to hear about it, guys. Love to hear what you've been doing. I had some requests for some altcoins, which I'll be getting into pretty soon, guys. I'll have some altcoin aside from Ethereum. I'll have some altcoin readings on YouTube relatively soon. We've also got a Sprouts farmers market, guys. Sprouts farmers market. I'm telling you, that is going to be a good one. I recommended to myself that I buy it. And I've been watching them for a while since their IPO, but I used to be a customer on the West Coast. They're really great. So um, I think they probably get bought out by Whole Foods or somebody like that towards the end of the year. All right, guys. So look out for that bit of a sell off from the peak here, and be ready to cash in on some positions tomorrow morning.